Hello, this is Fukumoto. Please let me introduce you this very unique and genius gadget. This is Japanese multi-convertible power plug, that is to say, multi-travel adapter. It is said that more or less 10 types of power plugs in the world. Many types. It means there are more or less 10 types of electric outlet in the world. But just one this device can convert almost type of power plugs to almost types of electric outlet. Very convenient. Move. As you can see, this device can change to various shapes to adapt various type of electric outlets in the world. Very convenient. Move. Anyway, let me show you some example. This is Japanese type. Okay. In case traveling to Italy, we can use this one. Okay. And the Italian type is this one. Okay. No problem. And in case traveling to this area, like in Indonesia, it is impossible to put. In this case, we use this one. Okay. And traveling to England is this type. In this case, we can use this one. Put. Okay. So like this, very convenient to use everything. Okay. Next, for Italian traveler, like this shape. Italian come to Japan. Japan type is this one, but very easy to use. No problem. We can use this one, Italian type. And put. Okay. And Italian traveling to another area. Okay, of course, okay. And okay. And traveling to England, this type. And I can show you. Okay. Okay. Very convenient. I just introduced you a part of the multi-function. Of course, this is a bestseller in Japan, and we believe this is the most multifunction and convenient travel adapter in the world. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.